Okay, so here's a cheapy Chinesey, well, not really cheap, but cheap-made Chinese Samsung flat screen. It's probably a year old. It works. I just want to do some preventative maintenance on it. Put some new filter caps in, and I may check these. But this is what they're using. Samsung 450 68s. I think these are still good. What they have in here is a Samsung 68 at 450. Now I think these are still good, but I just want to be sure. I'm replacing these with these lovely Lelons. These are the only 450 volts I have. The other ones I have are 250 volts. So let's get this other one out of here. That's accomplished by taking your cutters and cutting them. Okay. There we go. Taking note what polarity goes where. Hold on. They got this kind of Chinese glue on here or paste to hold it in. It has this little metal cap. Looks like a little dunce cap. Yeah, this one's a 68 at 450, just like the other one. Those will go in the junk box. Which I have right here. I have all my assorted values. These will go right here, right in the junk box. I got all the lovely parts. I got some lovely G-Luxon capacitors from a computer power supply that was a hunk of junk. Got some Samhuas. Got some antique electronics kind. Got some more Samhuas. So get this other cap replaced. Now on these, this band right here means negative. So this band this wire right here, and this side unbanded is positive. And I found it easier to shorten these leads for easier mounting. Now doesn't that look good? Got these two caps replaced. These other ones, they're Samhua brand. 470 at 25. And what makes these so unserviceable, one, is trying to get the back off these. There's no screws. You gotta, well, there are screws to hold the legs on. And I don't know why, but they use two legs on each side. That's really hard if you want a big TV or want a TV nowadays, and you have a small table. I don't know why. The ones with the thing in the middle, but I guess that's cost too much at the factory in China. Anyway, notice how this board has mostly kind of serviceable parts down to like the capacitors, maybe one of these transistors. I think these are transistors, and maybe relays and a couple resistors. But notice how on this board it's mostly surface mounted stuff, and it's really small and tiny. Like, this is a capacitor here. Like, how? There's no repairing this part. So you've either have to buy a new board, which is probably more than the TV's worth. And, yeah, oftentimes not worth it. And it ends up, or the board may not last as long, or may not last, or may last the same amount of time as the other one, as the old one. So pretty much, when these go out, they're done. They're done for. Now I want to say when they just click on and off, I want to say it's one of these, maybe, I don't know, or it may be a resistor or one of these relay switches here. But actually, correction, it was made in Mexico, but these are still hunks of junk. Okay, let's put this back together and see what it does. Okay, I think this hunk of trash is gonna work. It says error. Retry. What kind of crap? It's been so long I've used one of these. Okay, we got the mumble rap station, just like radio. We got the what kind of crap is on? This hunk of junk's a piece of crap. Just turn this crap off. Okay, there you go, it works.